guys, welcome to my channel. This is my Monday vlog, week 12. Today I am a doctor of tree surgeon. Bit fun. There's actually a birch, thin birch there. I can see all the actual pore coming down, so there's a hole in it. So I'm going to try and repair it. I brought some equipment with me. Saw, knife, and so I'm going to actual drill bit. So I'm actually going to drill it and put the wood in it and see if it actually helps the tree, because it's just pouring out and pouring out. So maybe I can actually help the tree for the environment anyway, in the sense, well, it's life. So I think this is the drill I'm going to use, that one there, and I think that'll be the one. So clearly I can only go in so far, but as long as I can get it in there and stop that from coming down through, I'll just hopefully this helps. That wee bit. I'll take you down there in a second. Of course I've got my saw as well to put that in and cut it off. It may be simple, but you know, it's simple enough to do this and actually help something. I use the woodland area a lot. But this would be the same method where you would, like say if you were getting sap for your morning breakfast and off of a birch. Same thing, because the sap pours out if it's, you know, if it's not protected. So what I'll try and do, I'll put this in there, I'll bore a hole, then put it in, and then and hopefully I can actually help that. So I'll put that in there now. That size of drill. So I'll just put that in so far. So what I'll do, helping a lonely tree, especially the birch. I'm not saying you would need to do this every day, but you know, it's it's something what you maybe want to help the tree. That hole's there, guys. Right, plug it up. It's in far enough, and hopefully that actually helps it. Give me 1 second. Oh, I've got it here. So that should do it. I would say, you know, you use the woodland areas and everything like that, and doing any kind of bushcraft, and you see something like that, it's just actually try to give a wee bit of help to something, especially this. So hopefully you enjoyed this little video, my Monday vlogs. I actually like doing these little Monday vlogs, because my other videos I don't speak, I just enjoy the sounds. So I think that's going to be protected now a wee bit better. So until the next time guys, all the best, take care, bye.